The average used electric vehicle depreciates faster than almost anything else on the road right now. iSeeCars tracked more than 950,000 cars this year and found a 5-year-old electric vehicle, or EV, loses 57% of its value, while the average vehicle loses about 42% and a hybrid holds even more. Some models are worse. The Nissan Leaf leads the entire market at a 63% loss. That looks awful if you're selling. It looks incredible if you're buying. Right now, thousands of used EVs are hitting the resale market just as their factory warranties expire, and the smart move is knowing exactly which ones to grab and which ones to run from. I ranked the 10 best with real prices, real warranty facts, and real reliability data. Let's count them down. Every EV sold in the United States carries a federally mandated battery warranty of at least 8 years or 100,000 miles. And in California, emission states that can stretch longer. That battery warranty is separate from the rest of the car. When people say an EV is off warranty, they usually mean the standard bumper-to-bumper coverage has ended, which is often 3 years or 36,000 miles, sometimes a 5-year powertrain term. The expensive part, the high-voltage battery and drive unit, is still covered on most of these cars for years after that bumper-to-bumper coverage lapses. The pack alone is worth 30 to 50% of the car's value, so that protection matters enormously. Recurrent Auto, which tracks real-world battery health across more than 30,000 electric cars, reports fewer than 4% of packs ever get replaced outside of recalls. Now the countdown. Number 10, 2019 to 2021 Hyundai Ioniq Electric, the cheapest way onto this list. The Ioniq Electric gives you around 170 miles of range and some of the lowest running costs of any EV, often selling used in the low to mid-teens. Hyundai backs the battery with a strong 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, well beyond the federal minimum. The range is modest, so this is a commuter and errand car, not a road tripper. Buy it for cheap, reliable electric miles. Number 9, 2017 to 2019 Nissan Leaf 40 kilowatt hours. The bargain bin entry, often between $8,000 and $13,000. The 40 kilowatt hour or kilowatt hour Leaf gives about 150 miles of range. The catch is real. The Leaf uses a passively air-cooled battery with no active thermal management, so it degrades faster in hot climates, and repeated fast charging triggers throttling that owners call rapid gate. It also uses the fading KJDMO charge port. Buy one in a cool climate, charge at home, and check the battery health bars first. Number 8, 2019 to 2020 Audi e-tron. Here's where luxury depreciation gets fun. The e-tron was a $75,000 plus SUV new, and clean examples now trade between roughly $22,000 and $32,000. The build quality is excellent and the ride is genuinely luxurious. 2 warnings. EPA range is only about 204 miles, and out-of-warranty repairs are brutal, with one owner reporting a $23,000 bill for battery casing damage alone. Watch the air suspension and infotainment. Only buy one with battery warranty remaining. Number 7, 2020 Porsche Taycan 4S. The Performance Play. A Taycan 4S stickered north of $105,000 new and now sells used around $45,000 to $60,000. It's one of the best driving EVs ever built, but this is the highest risk car here for cost of ownership. A full out-of-warranty battery replacement runs $25,000 to $45,000 at a Porsche dealer per Recharge's 2026 estimate, and even the 12-volt battery has stranded owners. Buy only with strong warranty coverage and a documented service history. Number 6, 2019 to 2021 Kia Niro EV, the quiet overachiever. The Niro EV pairs a 64 kilowatt hour battery with a 239-mile range and one of the calmest reliability records in the segment. Used prices sit around $18,000 to $24,000. Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile battery warranty is one of the best safety nets you can get, and it follows the car to you as the second owner. Watch for the slow charge port heat throttling some owners report. This is a boringly dependable pick. Which of these are you actually shopping for? Comment your budget below, I read them. Number 5, 2019 to 2021 Hyundai Kona Electric, the range king of the affordable group. The Kona Electric delivers about 258 miles, and used examples run roughly $16,000 to $22,000. Early 2019 to 2020 cars were part of a major battery fire recall, and many received a brand new pack under that campaign. Hyundai's 10-year warranty covers it, though a recall recall pack usually inherits the remaining original coverage rather than fully resetting the clock. Confirm the recall was completed and get a battery health report. Number 4. 2020 to 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E, the SUV the audience actually wants. Early Mach-E models now sell around $20,000 to $26,000, and the high-voltage battery carries an 8-year, 100,000-mile warranty. Flag the contactor recall, extended range and GT models built in this window were recalled for a high-voltage battery junction box that could overheat during repeated fast charging and hard acceleration, causing a loss of power. The fix is free at a Ford dealer. Verify it was done before you buy. Number 3. 2018 to 2020 Tesla Model S, the flagship bargain. A pre-refresh Model S now trades between roughly $22,000 and $35,000, and it still gives you a giant front dog mode and the supercharger network. The big win is the battery. Pre-2020 Model S packs came with an 8-year unlimited mile warranty. 2 flags. Cars built before about March 2018 can suffer the older media control unit, or MCU, failure, so confirm the newer MCU 2. The air suspension is a known aging expense. Number 2. 2018 to 2020 Tesla Model 3. The sweet spot of the entire market. Look for the long range, or LR, rear-wheel drive or all-wheel drive versions priced around $18,000 to $25,000. The battery and drive unit warranty runs 8 years and 100,000 miles on rear-wheel drive, 120,000 on long range and performance, with a 70% capacity guarantee. Real-world battery durability is excellent. The little 12-volt battery dies fast and can strand the car, and out-of-warranty pack replacement runs $12,000 to $16,000. Budget for the small stuff, enjoy the big picture. Number 1. 2019 to 2020 Chevy Bolt, recall battery replaced. The best value in the used EV market, full stop. Post-recall, GM replaced the batteries in huge numbers of Bolts with fresh LG packs. And here's the magic. A recall installed pack gets its own new 8-year, 100,000 mile parts warranty starting from the installation date, spelled out in GM's own service bulletin filed with regulators. So you buy a car for $12,000 to $16,000 and get a nearly new battery with a reset warranty clock and around 259 miles of range. Out of warranty, a Bolt pack costs about $16,000 to $19,000, which is why that reset matters so much. Find a recall completed Bolt with documentation and you have the cheapest low-risk entry into EV ownership that exists today. Before you buy, do these 5 things before you hand over money. First, get a Recurrent Auto battery health report, or the manufacturer's equivalent, so you know the real state of health, not the dashboard guess. Second, verify the battery warranty status by the vehicle identification number, or VIN, since coverage follows the car, not the owner. Third, check recall completion through the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, or NHTSA, using that same VIN at their free lookup. Fourth, get a pre-purchase inspection from a technician who actually knows EVs. Fifth, confirm charge port compatibility, because most pre-2025 EVs use the older CCS port and need an adapter for the North American Charging Standard, or NACS Tesla network, and the Leaf's CHA DMO port has no NACS adapter at all. Which used EV would you actually buy, or is there one you'd never touch? Tell me in the comments. If this saved you from a bad purchase, subscribe, because next time we break down the 5 EVs that turn into money pits the second the warranty ends, that video will cost some people a lot less pain. I'll see you there.